guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie Ochoa and she the realist.
Okay. Anyways.
We just got done with Eli's doctor's appointment. Today is Tuesday, January 21st, 8:48 a.m.
Jeez.
What are we doing today?
I don't know, babe.
Me either. Amber, Eli's sister, she's supposed to be coming today.
Oh gosh, I'm just kidding.
Lucio texted me when you were in your appointment and said that he wants to go out to breakfast when they get here.
Where are they at?
They're leaving.
I'm not trying to have breakfast at like 2.
No, he said they're leaving by like 9:30.
Oh heck no, I ain't waiting until 11.
I don't know if we're looking at apartments or not today with them.
That's fine, we can. What are they looking for?
They want a 2-bedroom. They want
Two
They want
bedroom.
something similar to what we have, like the hardwood floors, because of the dogs, obviously. So.
Because of perros?
Perro, where?
No, that's why they want to get it.
Oh.
What's it on your side?
Yes. Why do you always forget?
Because the Geo's on the other side.
But unlike the Geo, this tells you where the gas pump
That's
is.
why I look. That's why I look. Gosh, why do you think they know everything?
I do know everything. That's the thing. Like, that's the difference between me and other people.
You don't.
Here, I actually know everything.
I don't know that.
No, please
I don't know that.
turn the car on. Here. Thank you. Babe, please don't. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Eli has been getting on my nerves the past 2 days. Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't know what it is, but he legitimately is getting on my nerves. Like, this morning, got on my nerves. Last night, got on my nerves. The day before, got on my nerves. I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is. But he's been getting on my nerves lately, and I just... There he is, just getting on my nerves again. I'm gonna ask Eli if he could take me to Starbucks because I want a medicine ball. Because your girl has her sore throat, and I don't want to get sick. Even though your girl... Ah! Yes. I was just...
She was like, let me check you. And she was like... And then she went right here. And then she's like, let me see the other side.
You're freaking lying.
And I was like,
You're lying.
No, she did.
You guys, I accidentally gave Eli a hickey.
But it wasn't because we were doing
Yeah,
anything.
we weren't messing around.
And
He does
I
this
started
thing.
kissing her neck. Like,
You're gonna get makeup on.
And then she's like, let me do it. And then she freaking sucked on my neck. And it was all downhill from there. I left the room, went and played video games because I was so distraught.
You're so annoying. I was just telling them that you've been annoying me.
Oh my god.
In-N-Out or ChickfilA?
Oh, I'm picking In-N-Out every time. Every time.
ChickfilA.
What you mean?
The sandwiches have way more flavor.
It's-
The French fries, the waffle fries, you can't tell me that that In-N-Out fries are better than those waffle fries. Anytime it would be In-N-Out French fries for me. But the waffle fries to the In-N-Out fry, trash. In-N-Out's trash. Fries, at least, when it comes to the waffle.
I don't know. I don't agree.
Really?
There's pros and cons to each place.
Uh-huh.
Burgers, the patty's kind of small.
But it's
Price is
so
convenient.
good.
Chick-fil-A is just overpriced.
Chick-fil-A
You
is
can literally get
overpriced.
a whole meal for the price of
2
one sandwich.
Yeah, 1 sandwich. I was gonna say something else.
I can get a burger, some fries, and a shake. Come on.
For $5?
And a burger itself, a little chicken sandwich is what?
$5?
$6? I don't know. I'm starving.
Get a little sandwich from there.
No. I can't. My finger hurts. I'm about to get amputated.
You guys, last night Eli was messing with Mila. And
she's a good little pup.
She's a good dog. But Eli, he does this thing where he messes with the dogs, and then when he gets hurt, he gets pissed off at the dogs.
I didn't even get
last
mad.
Night, no,
I did not get mad.
You were going to.
No,
so,
I was laughing
so
because I was like,
night,
what an idiot.
I think her nail, like, went into his nail or
no,
something.
it was her tooth because she was like...
I mean, not her nail, yeah, her tooth, sorry. Her tooth went into his finger, and he was like, oh! I go, don't freaking get mad. You're the one that was hyping her up. It's your fault. He goes,
I didn't get mad at her though. It just hurt. It was like right under the nail. You could see the little dot. It freaking hurts, yo.
It's his problem. It's his fault. That's what he gets for hyping
It's
him
all
up.
swollen.
And then he gets all pissed off sometimes when like
I
they're
didn't
too
even
hyper.
get mad.
I'm not saying you got mad that time,
Oh
but
my
sometimes he gets like mad too, like when they're too hyped, and he's like, "Stop!"
Oh my
But
gosh.
he's the one that hypes
She's
them up.
worse though. She's worse.
But I don't hype them up. That's the
No,
difference
but
between you and I.
You just said when they just get all crazy.
No, I don't like when they get crazy. Because
Exactly,
there's
no one
reason they
does.
should
There's
be
no
getting
reason they
crazy,
should be
but
getting crazy,
You sit
exactly.
there and you hype them up
I
sometimes.
oh my
and you're like,
God.
stop.
Get this order going. Lord.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hello, can I have a grande medicine ball with 2 pumps of agave?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that for me?
Told you, get
Can
over
I
it.
have a grande medicine ball with 2 pumps of agave?
You just want to do a splash of the agave in it?
Yes.
And what size was that?
A grande, please.
Grande? Okay.
And
Anything
then,
else with this today?
can I have one of your chicken sausage and bacon biscuits?
Alright, one of the chicken sausage. Okay.
And that'll be everything.
Okay, I'll have that ready for you at the window. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You just ordered a $5 sandwich.
Yeah, for you.
I don't want that.
Can you just freaking stop?
I could have got 2 sandwiches for that price.
You don't
At
want.
In-N-Out.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
get
my.
over it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She was like surfed up, dude.
Yeah, she was.
She was like
She was
straight
like,
service.
alright.
She was like, oh my God.
That's you.
Take a drink.
Stop. Look, don't mess around. There's sheriffs right there.
Oh.
I don't care.
The heck?
You're so predictable.
Everything's a freaking musical, girl. God.
Someone in high school that I used to be friends with, they would get so annoyed with me because I like would sing like little like words. They'd be like, Allie, you don't have to sing everything.
So
I'm sorry, it's not my fault that you don't have a good voice and you can't show it
Oh
off.
my gosh. Get
Haters.
ready.
Haters
Relax.
all around me.
Relax. No one's hating. Dang.
But you know what I mean?
No.
You
Just
don't?
relax.
Right, because you don't have a good voice either. So you're a hater.
Oh my
too.
gosh. I'm about to drop you off right here.
Drop me off, I'll sing my way home. Oh my god. Good morning, everyone. Today is, I forgot my watch.
Yeah, 23rd.
Today's the 23rd. Oh my gosh, your birthday's in exactly 1 month. Are you excited?
Of course.
Yeah.
Wow. Slow down. Slow down, speed racer.
Calm down, I'm not even going fast.
Jeez.
I'm going to continue on to what we recorded on Tuesday, just because I didn't get enough footage.
Kind of forgot.
And I completely forgot to like record. We were hanging out with Eli's sister and her family, and we were just enjoying ourselves. So I forgot about the last one. Today Eli has work. I'm actually dropping him off.
Yep.
And today I have a couple of errands to run. So we
busy.
are just gonna be hanging out today, doing our thing, thizzle. I'm kidding. But I'm not. Okay, I love you.
Alright, cool. Just pass the stairs. It's fine. Love you.
See you. Have a good day.
You too. Say this.
Do you want some cash for lunch?
I have money on my debit.
No, take the cash.
Why?
So you're not using that money.
Huh?
So you're not using that money.
Well, how much? Because if I don't know. What if I go do a little something? Oh, I could do this. I could do it with that. I love you.
I love you too. See you. Okay, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Now I'm gonna go to the post office. And hopefully this doesn't take long. Hopefully it's not busy. It is Thursday, so it might be a little busy, but I don't know. When I got my Starbucks, what did she put? She didn't even make it right. I asked for a medicine ball and she put hot. What does that say? Hot and spicy tea. I don't want hot and spicy tea. I want a medicine ball, yo. I'm so upset about my fake medicine ball. I'm really upset about this medicine ball. Like, I'm harassed. Like, panini pressed, perm pressed, capital P, capital R, all caps, ESSED, pressed. It is what it is, I guess. So in my salad, I'm gonna kind of throw in what I have. I find that those are probably the best salads when you just throw something together. I am going to be having the baby spring mix. I get mine from Winco, but I'm sure you can find something similar or the same thing at a different store. And I'm gonna have some tuna, half of an avocado, maybe less, 2 hard-boiled eggs. Pro tip, prepare boiled eggs. They're such an easy snack or lunch, depends on what you like have them with, but I've been doing that lately, which is why we buy like a big case of eggs. So pro tip by yours truly. Some cheese, a little bit of pepper, and then a little bit excuse me, of the Wishbone Greek vinaigrette dressing. So I'm gonna get a pretty decent sized bowl because, like I said, this is my lunch, and the next time I will be eating, right now it's 12:35, I will be eating around 6:30. So this will definitely hold me up. Here is my salad. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 of these little mini peppers here, half an avocado, some tuna, and some vinaigrette. I'm gonna go ahead, eat this along with my cup of emergency, and we'll see what I get into after. So this is what we're making. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. Thank you so much. It's not, just kidding, I wish. But tonight for dinner, Eli and I are having mangia mozzarella. Huh? No, I don't trust you.
Babe, I need to make the relish.
Yeah, I need to make it in this.
No, where are we gonna make the meat in?
This.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
So we're, like I said earlier, we're having a HelloFresh meal. Today we're having the mangia, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, whatever. Mozzarella burgers with pepper relish and roasted garlic aioli. What step are you on?
I don't know.
Okay. Obviously he needs help.
No, I don't.
Here is the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Get into that right there. How do you feel?
Great.
Say that one more time for the people.
Great.
Let me see.
Great. Okay?